Alright, got some updates for you guys. Since last time I uploaded, kind of just been doing all the little things, tidying up everything. So I'll kind of go give you a run through. So I got the shock towers all welded in. That's pretty self-explanatory. Let's see. I got the bump stops, and pretty easy. Just weld these onto the plates and then weld this mount onto the frame. And without flexing it, you kind of have to take a guess at where to place it, because when the suspension flexes, the axle moves back. So I guess that shock's in the way to show you. But I just moved that upper mount back a little bit from centered. I welded in the front cross member, so that's all done. Steering stabilizer. There's the mount there, and I kind of made my own mount for this. So the one you get from Trail Gear has a tab off the top of this, and the stud goes through that, but that was too high and it was hitting on my oil pan, and I had the motor in, so I welded a bolt onto in the middle of the plate, and then I also I welded some plate in underneath that bracket on the frame, so I dropped that, and now it clears pretty good, so we'll see how that works out. And then I went through and painted everything. So I also cut off the stock brake line mounts off the frame and welded them back on there. Or actually, no, those were welded onto one of the IFS brackets, so I cut that off, welded it on there, and that's really about it. Gave it a bath today, cleaned it up a little bit. Still kind of a mess under here, but I'm not sure what I'm doing under here yet as far as paint goes. But so yeah, that's how it's sitting right now. Shocks are all on. Steering's pretty much complete, and rear end's done, other than I still got to paint a couple of those brackets for the e-brake. And I'm also going to go through and paint the whole frame. As you can see, it's pretty rusty, so put some paint on that, clean that up a little bit. The only other thing I got to do in the back is trim the U-bolts, and that should be it. So motor sitting over here, did a timing belt on that, and a couple other things, but I'll show you guys in the next couple of videos. And we're getting close to dropping that thing in and getting it all hooked up, so stay tuned. It's gonna be a little more fun now, getting that motor in, get all the wiring in, and building all the piping for intercooler and exhaust and all that fun stuff. So stay tuned. I'll show you guys the next couple projects on this thing. It's coming together though, slowly but surely.